Eh? Sad life.
All right, John, can you make me the co-host now, or you make me the host? Thank you everyone for joining. This is my company's account, so we've subscribed for it. We had a meeting by the time we started this meeting, so that's why I could not terminate what they are doing. All right, thank you, John. Whatever your account want to preach, these are things, it is a basic information that pitch your interest to anybody that wants to check it out. So let's see each of the compartments that makes up this folder. Okay, so let's join it together. Let's move on. So the first thing, sorry, please. The first thing you need to understand is how to personalize your profile. It is very important to understand how to personalize your profile. So how do we go about it? The first thing that attracts anybody to your profile is your profile picture. So what are the 6 rules that you need to understand before you pick a profile picture? The first thing is you need to choose a picture that looks like you, your real you. Not too much makeup, not too much something that can identify you. That by the time people check through other social media platform of yours, they will see a black person on Facebook, a light person on Twitter, a chocolate person on Instagram, and a bright person on LinkedIn. Your color contrast is confusing. So you need to pick a picture that can speak more information about what you look like. That is, next thing is you need to make sure that your face takes up about 60% of this picture. That is, 60% of the picture must capture your facial look, expression. And the thing is that the third thing you need to understand is you need to pick or choose the right expression. When I say the right expression, I mean the way you capture your smile well captured and the way must be able to capture everything that you are looking at. So I want to see that you are very beautiful, that amazing, wonderful, charming smile. Please go to a studio and give that charming smile more look. You need to show yourself, look good. So you need to choose the right expression, wear appropriate clothes. Please, this is not the type you wear. I can't decide the kind of clothes you want to wear because this is not, the platform is dependent on different things you want to do. So if you want to work in the corporate space in complaints, anywhere you can put in your suits, your jacket, your shirt, is casual, round neck, any way you want to put it, it captures your information and whatever you want to look, people to identify you with. Then another thing is no selfies allowed. When I say selfie, look at, I think I make some background analysis about so you can capture the information well. Then choose the right background that is not contracting. So look at your screen. You see, having a professional picture makes your profile 14 times more appealing to people. So I do a contractive analysis here. You check your left hand, you will see people that took a selfie picture inside the car on the black shield, somebody using in a restaurant, and you will see my sample in my house using a selfie compared to your right hand. I know if you see these two contraction, you will know the one to pick. So look for picture that will showcase what you have interest in doing. I hope I'm able to capture that very well. So look at show out your beauty expression. If you check my LinkedIn, I just changed my LinkedIn picture because I just decided to go more professional. I hope I'm communicating. So after choosing the right, the next thing is you need to know how to play on video. So sorry about that. I think I have to set some noise around me so you can capture the information. All right. So how do you build strength in your profile? As I was saying, the first thing you need to look out for is a profile picture. And the next thing you talk about experience, you talk about your skill, your volunteering experience, the organization you've worked with, the honor and award that you've gotten, your test score, your publication interest, case you care for projects you have done, and the certification you have gotten. These are the things that we'll be handling in this class by ensuring that you have everything, every of the details well filled up and communicating. So don't worry, we'll touch everything adequately and ensure that it is well captured. So one other thing is still more of theory to now. I'm still going to go to practical. And one other thing you need to capture is when you are updating many of the things on your profile. Please note this diagram on the screen that as you're updating some things, you will see that many people will be greeting you congratulations. It's because your notification is on. So you need to off it if you don't want people to know that you're optimizing your profile. So just keep it safe, keep it low key. That as you're optimizing it, you'll not be getting disturbed, you'll not be getting every of the information that, oh, this guy just got a job, this guy just got this. Don't shout about yourself now. So by the time you are done optimizing, you can now share a general notification onto people. So you need to put it up. So by the time you're updating some things on your profile, you will see that at the top, so you know what to include and what to not to showcase. Just have that at the back of your mind. So I will remind you, I will show you how to turn it up later by the time you are ready for it. So the first thing now is your headline. Now I know many of you, by the time you check your LinkedIn profile, you will see your headline there. And I will want somebody to read this for me. So let me just pick somebody at random I will be talking about this. I think what's the time now? Probably might need to make a pause here today. We can be able to work on what we've talked before to do practical. So let me call Nifemi. So Nifemi, come and check these two headlines. Read the first part, read the second part. Which one is detailed to you? So Nifemi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So read the two headlines. Which one is more detailed to you?
Okay. Jane students. BS Mechanical Engineering. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Jane students. Jane students. That one is more detailed. Okay, I should read it.
You read that. Just read the caption on the headline and the one at the left and the right hand. So I don't know how it faces to you. So just read it too. The verses is a comparison.
Okay, for the Jane students, BS Mechanical Engineering, the Michinga Tech, wherever, the manufacturing, the new product design, and the mechatronics. Then the John students, dining and services supervisor at Michinga Technic Technology University. Technology University, I mean. That's all.
So out of the two people that are listening, which one is more detailed to you? I want to hear your opinion. It is conversational, it is dialogue. So omit yourself and let's communicate. Out of the two, which one is more detailed? Anybody, just omit yourself and let's see.
Student is not better. The students. To me, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, to me, the Gen student is, I feel, is still more well detailed, unlike the John. Like, he just puts the university and that's all. Like, I feel like it's not well, than the other one.
Okay. Any other opinion? Let's listen. This is this conversation now. So let's pay things out. Mrs. Ahmed, please go on, ma.
Yes, we can see.
After Mrs. Ahmed, I will call you. Let Mrs. Ahmed go on now. Mrs. Ahmed, go on.
Yes, we can see the degree that she has. That's BSc Mechanical Engineering.
Okay.
Whereas that's missing in John's CV. We don't know whether John is a set holder or primary school because it's not stated. The university is well defined and the course itself. So maybe I should just hold it for others to comment.
All right, thank you. Next person. Please go on, I can hear you. Who is talking? Okay.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
I can hear you. Go on.
Yeah. I think Jane's qualification is well detailed than John. So that Jane Horn is superb. So anyone that sees that detailed and abbreviated qualification than the story, because John was saying stories, you see, and it's not detailed. But this other one, Jane, is more detailed, short, detailed, qualifications and experience and things like that. Thank you.
So we know why one is correct and why one is not correct. So let's check. There's a principle guiding them. All right, so let's go. Now, the first principle here is that an headline must be detailed. That is, a detailed LinkedIn headline is critical in increasing your findability, creating your professional credibility, and motivating your audience to keep reading the rest of your profile. Now, how do you write your LinkedIn headline? If you check your profile, you will see something like a pencil or a biro beside it. And that's the editing mode. So by the time you click on the pen, it will open up and you can see current headline, update, and other likes. Like by the time you open it, you can do whatever you like to it. So what do you put in your headline? The key thing you put in your headline is this. Where do you do what you do? Why do you do what you do? And how do you do what you do? That is how you write an headline. I'll take it again. What do you do? Where do you do what you do? And why do you do what you do? And how do you do what you do? Some people will say that you should put relevant keyword, relevant title, your year of experience, and relevant benefits. People that are listening or watching you will be gaining. It says BS Mechanical Engineering, Michigan Tech, Manufacturing, New Product Design, Mechatronics. This is just the list of skills. Look at the second person. He said, okay, I am a dining service supervisor at university. That is, I'm a really an MEN student. Well spelled out. So let's now revisit our analysis. Which of the two is detailed? Just one or two persons to just communicate. Or shall I call on somebody? Jonathan, let me have you. Or maybe Zamel, you're open your mic. Anybody first one to speak?
Yes, I feel for job. What is the
I can hear you. Miss Amel, go on.
Yes, from the lead you have just given, the second one may probably be more direct for job
Okay.
opportunity.
Okay. Thank you for that input. Any other person to just make that addition?
Okay. So from the criteria that we have is more detailed and more specific.
All right, thank you very much. So let's work on our headline today. And I'll be giving us an assignment of what we're going to do against tomorrow. So let's start today. So this is my headline, for example. This is the biro I talked about, or the pencil. You can see my cursor. That's it. All right, so if you see this background picture, the wall picture, and you can see my cursor. It is meant for you to put what you do, what interests you, or what can qualify your profile at the back there. I hope you're able to understand me. So I love educating young folks, so I place it there. So whatever interests you, might be your business design, anything that suits you, feel free to put it there. This is my own headline. I said I'm the operations manager at Vintage Center. I'm in project management with 50 projects record. That's a success. Why do I do what I do? I help people build potential with advantage and relevance. What are the result? I've trained more than 10,000 youths. So what other things can I do? I'm a post-security advocate and a global potential youth. That is my own headline. So let's go about yours. Let's do yours. Let's practicalize yours. So everybody go back to your LinkedIn and let's practicalize. Are we ready? Yes. It should be the answer. So if you have been on LinkedIn before, just give me your name so I can check your headline for you. Anybody? So this is my profile. Right, so if you can see my screen, this is my profile picture that I explained. This is my headline. This is my headline. So this is going to be the work that you'll be doing first. So I would just like to know your name so I will see what I can check through, or I can guide you through your headline. So just drop your name, you are online, so let me just check your headline for you. Anybody? Okay, Adedoyin. Adewoyin, sorry. That means we've not connected. Adewoyin. Ifem, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Which one is yours?
Yeah, I
Uluwani
think
first.
that's
Or which
mine. No, no,
this?
no, the one up. This is my picture is here.
Let's check.
Yeah.
This is the okay, this right?
Yes.
Okay, good. This means that you people have not connected on the platform. Please go and connect with yourself. So, Nifemi, you need to, you have at least your profile picture is nice. You need to go and
Thank you.
write your headline. I know, I hope you
Okay.
know how to speak about it now. So you can always
Yes.
add a background picture to this place that my cursor is showing. You also see a pen there. So you can add the picture that displays or give information about what you do. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think, and let me quickly explain to everybody. If you can see my screen clearly, you will see second. Can you see it where my cursor is?
Yes.
You will see
Yes,
second.
we can.
The meaning of second is that Nifemi is not a friend,
Okay. I'm good.
but is somebody I am connected with or I'm connected to that Nifemi is friend with. I hope you understand.
Okay.
So Nifemi is not my friend now, but I think okay, Nifemi connected with Rasak Oguntade, and I
Yeah.
have Rasak Oguntade as a friend, like on my list on LinkedIn. That is why Nifemi is second. Now imagine that Rasak, who happens to be my connection, having Nifemi as a friend. Now Nifemi's friend will be third on my profile. I hope you understand. The friend of my
Yeah.
friend, third. But my direct friend is first. A friend of my friend is second. The friend of my friend is third. I hope you understand. So if you could go to your LinkedIn now and accept my friend request so we can go on. So then another
All
person that
right.
want me, these are our headlines. So let's make it fast. So let me check for an example here. So, okay, look at this person now. This person is second. It means that this person is a friend of somebody on my connection list.
Okay, fine.
So I want to check for third person. I check someone I can see quick something.
Okay. I don't know if you can hear me, but I've accepted.
Let me check this comment. Okay.
Sorry, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, I've accepted already.
So that's meaning I'm trying to get someone that is third, but I could not get it. Anytime I can see that you connected with me. Now we can see that Nifemi will change to first. Now by the time we check, this is still network. Now we can check the chat box. You see that it is now first because we are now connected. But normally, by to check a profile, it should be on first. Now can you see that it's now on first?
Yes, yes, we can see it.
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, thank you. So to make it very quick, let me match it as we wrap up the class. How do you connect with people on LinkedIn? You need to know it. So anybody that you want to connect with, no matter which person is, the first thing is to check the person's profile. I want to look for an example. So you can learn it. Quick one. Let me check this lady. So the first thing, you click on their link, like their name. Now she's the founder of 80 Farm. This, okay. Now on your mobile phone, you will see connect, or sometimes you will not see connect. So you need to press on more. What might show your own area might be follow. And you will see the message logged. But you still see 3 dots if you are using your mobile phone. Or if you are using your system, you click on more. So using your mobile phone, you will see personalized invite. It is not professional for you to just connect with anybody that you don't just know. So what you need to do is to personalize your invitation. Personalizing invitation means that you are sending the person a message before connection. Before you want to connect with anybody, try and read about their profile. Read about them. Look at this person now. Okay. So I want to connect with this person now. But on mine, I'm using my laptop actually. So I'll just press connect. But you will see add a note here. I'm using a laptop. But if it's your mobile phone, you will see personalized invite. So click on personalized invite. You are to write a text of 300 words. So let's just look at my screen. Let's see how I'm going to write. Hello. vocabulary. And check your wall. Now, if I know the person, I will have done another thing, but this is just an example. So I'll send an invitation to the person now. So automatically, when you connect with somebody, your profile will follow. So before you just send connect, except you know the person, please always add a personalized note. It makes it more professional. It makes it more presentable. It's like you're just selling yourself better, and that's how it works. So I hope I'm able to communicate with you all. So we're posting here today. So if you have any question, please ask your question. Hello, do you have any question? Just give it a try. Everything we've done today, please give it a try. So let me know the challenge that you are facing to know how we can address it together. So today to tomorrow, please work on this, your headline and your profile picture, really, and your background picture. It really matters. You want to make it more practical, and by tomorrow we'll go into another phase. So thank you everybody for joining. If you have any question, please come up with your question and let's give answers to your questions.